In this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to remove invisible filter on TikTok. You can see a lot of people doing the invisible trend on TikTok by applying the invisible filter. So the first thing that you need to do in order to remove the filter is download the video. To download it from TikTok, just tap and hold the video and you'll have an option of save video, like so. If you don't have the save video option, tap on the share on the bottom right and tap on copy link. Once the link has been copied, open up your web browser and then search for TikTok video download. Once you do, you can pick any of these websites to download the video that you just copied in. Tap on paste link, tap and hold the box and paste in the link. Tap on download and the video will be downloaded. The next step is you'll need to search up TikTok Invisible Filter Remover APK. This way it's going to give you multiple websites where you can download the remover. I'm going to pick this website and here you'll have an option of download. It says Invisible Filter Remover APK. You can download this application onto your phone, and once the app has been downloaded, you can insert in the video which has the filter on it and use the invisible filter remover to remove the filter from the video. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If this video did help you out, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos. Thanks for watching.